Hi everyone, this is Amy from Specialists in Exams. In today's lesson, I will teach you 30 essential Band 7 vocabulary words from 5 common IELTS topics that examiners want to hear. I'll explain each word with clear definitions and example sentences so you can use them in your own answers and boost your IELTS score. After each category, I will give you pronunciation tips for the harder words. Let's start with one of the most common IELTS topics, environment and nature.
Category 1. Environment and nature. Biodiversity. The variety of plant and animal life in an area. Example. Protecting rainforests is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Use this for nature conservation or wildlife topics. Renewable. Something that can be naturally replaced, like energy sources. Example, solar and wind power are renewable energy sources that reduce pollution. Conservation, protecting and preserving natural resources. Example, wildlife conservation programs have helped endangered species recover. Deforestation, the cutting down of forests. Example, deforestation in tropical areas contributes to climate change. Alleviate, to make a problem less severe. Example, planting more trees can alleviate air pollution in cities. Carbon footprint, the total amount of greenhouse gases produced by human activity. Example, taking public transport helps reduce your carbon footprint. Pollutant, a harmful substance that contaminates air, water, or soil. Example, factories should be responsible for controlling industrial pollutants.
So when pronouncing English words, we actually use different muscles. So we use more of these muscles. So try smiling when pronouncing the words. Nature, nature, nature. Environment. Again, smile. Environment. Sustainable. Sustainable. Deforestation. So forest in the middle. Deforestation. Renewable. So new in the middle. Renewable. Alleviate. Smile in the middle. Alleviate.
Category 2. Technology and society. Innovative, using new ideas or methods. Innovative teaching methods make learning more engaging. Digital literacy, knowing how to use technology effectively. Digital literacy is now essential in most professional careers. User-friendly, easy to use or understand. A user-friendly app design encourages more people to download it. Cutting edge, extremely modern and advanced. Cutting-edge medical technology saves thousands of lives every year. Obsolete, no longer useful or current. DVDs have become obsolete due to online streaming. Automation, the use of machines or computers to perform tasks. Automation has replaced many repetitive jobs in factories. Digital divide, the gap between people who have access to technology and those who do not. The digital divide remains a major issue in developing countries.
Digital literacy. Literacy. Lit-tracy. Literacy. Obsolete. Obsolete. Like delete. Obsolete.
Category 3. Education and work. Comprehensive, complete and detailed. A comprehensive education system prepares students for various careers. Proficient, skilled or capable. Being proficient in problem solving helps professionals handle challenges effectively. Acquire, to gain or learn something. Students acquire practical skills through internships. Enhance, to improve or make better. Technology can enhance the learning experience in classrooms. Competent, having the required skills or ability. Competent teachers motivate students to achieve their best. Versatile, able to adapt to different roles or situations. Versatile employees are valuable in any company.
Enhance. So you say the H. Enhance. Acquire. 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 Competent. 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 Proficient. 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 So smile at the end. Proficient. Versatile. 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 Before we continue with culture and lifestyle, stay with me until the end. Because I have a free PDF with all the words, definitions, and example sentences from the lesson, which you can print or keep them on your phone and use them to revise the new vocabulary and use them in your own answers.
Category 4, Culture and Lifestyle. Diverse, showing variety or difference. Living in a diverse city exposes you to new perspectives. Contemporary, modern or current. Contemporary art often reflects social issues. Multicultural, including many cultural groups. Multicultural societies encourage tolerance and understanding. Customary, something that is traditional or usual. In some countries, it is customary to remove your shoes before entering a home. Authentic, genuine or real, not fake. I love finding authentic restaurants when I travel abroad.
Contemporary, contemporary, contemporary. Significant, not significant, significant. Preserve, serve, preserve.
Category 5, Personal Development. Challenging, difficult but rewarding. Learning a new language is challenging but satisfying. Accomplish, to achieve successfully. I accomplished my goal of improving my fluency. Resilient, able to recover from difficulties. Resilient people stay positive after setbacks. Overcome, to succeed in dealing with a difficulty. I overcame my fear of public speaking through practice. Adept, very skilled at something. She became adept at managing her time efficiently.
Consequently, consequently, consequently. So it's not a se, it's a s. Consequently. Challenging, challenge, challenging. Resilient, not resilient, resilient. So it sounds like a Z, resilient. So that's the end of this week's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. As promised, the free PDF is linked below. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye!